5 researchers, including Fadil Matta of the University of Georgia, divided 161 university students into 3 groups. They asked each group to perform the task of predicting stock prices over a total of 12 rounds. Each group received feedback from the manager at the end of each round. At this time, managers always gave fair or polite feedback to the first group, such as, "Thank you for your efforts," and "I'm glad to work with people who are full of motivation." On the other hand, the second group continued to give unfair or rude feedback, such as, "You should be ashamed of yourself for trying only that much," and "I'm disappointed to work with people who are not motivated." The third group was given feedback mixed with the content of the 2 extremes, which in some cases praised and in others criticized. After each round, the research team measured the heart rate of the participants and examined the stress level. As a result, the third group had higher stress levels than the second group. The team conducted follow-up experiments on actual workers and obtained the same results. Contrary to the intuitive notion that more fairness is always better, this result shows that being treated consistently unfairly can be better for employees than being treated fairly sometimes and unfairly at other times. There are many workers around us who suffer from ruthless abuse of their bosses. However, there is a worse boss than a boss who is openly vicious, which is a capricious boss. Leaders should not forget that consistency and predictability are important factors in leadership.